Well, there are two things. Yes, Parambir Singh has already once said that he does not really recognize the Chandiwal Commission, and remember that is the reason why he has filed a petition in the Bombay High Court, which has not really come up for hearing. But the petition very clearly says that the Chandiwal Commission should not be really functioning, because what it is doing is something exactly what the CBI is already investigating, and that it's just a repetition. Certainly, before the Chandiwal Commission, however, the other accused, including Sachin Waze, have recognized the commission. And before the commission, while deposing in the last 2 days, Sachin Waze has clearly told the commission that Sanjeev Palande, who was the secretary, personal secretary to Anil Deshmukh, the former Home Minister, he did not demand any money. Now, the issue that is being really looked into this is because whether there is a contradiction into what he said before the ED. Because before the ED, he has said two things. One, that this was an entire hearsay statement that Sachin Waze had given, wherein he had alleged that Anil Deshmukh, in the transfer posting issue, he used to take money through Palande on, for assessing transfers of policemen. Now, that is a completely hearsay statement that he had given to, which is something similar to what Parambir Singh has already spoken about, his statement also being hearsay. Apart from that, Sachin Waze had also given a statement to the Enforcement Directorate, where he said that Sanjeev Palande used to discuss along with the other secretary, Kundan Shinde, about raising the extortion money. But though specifically there was no demand is something what the Waze, the legal team of Waze has been stating, and that is the reason why they are saying that there is no contradiction. But however, Shekhar Jagtap and other lawyers representing Palande have told the commission that there certainly is a contradiction in this.
Right, Vidya, that is the reason why Supreme Court, while giving protection to Parambir Singh, said that this case is becoming curiouser than curiouser, because of every allegation, there are two facts coming out. The first, that the letter written by Parambir Singh says that he doesn't have any evidence. The case against Parambir Singh, he gets the protection. He joins the investigation today here at Unit 11 of Mumbai Crime Branch. But finally, Parambir Singh appeared because he got relief from the Supreme Court. How he got the relief? Let's understand that first.